Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Lightweight Walkers is probably one of the most important mobility aids for seniors, offering a safe and reliable way to maintain independence. These walkers are designed to be easy to maneuver and transport, making them ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. In this video, we'll explore some of the top-rated lightweight walkers, helping you find the perfect one to enhance your mobility and quality of life. Number 5. Drive Medical 10257BL, 1 Rollator Walker. This rolling walker is both durable and stylish. It features a strong and supportive frame, a comfortable seat, and an under-seat storage pouch. It's a great walker for seniors and adults seeking stability. The wheeled walker features four 7.5-inch caster wheels for a stable roll, making it great for outdoor use. The handbrake can be pressed when needed or pushed down to lock the wheels. You can seamlessly adjust the handle height from 31 to 35 inches using an easy turn lever. The walker also includes a removable hinged backrest that can be folded up or down for your convenience. Its simple folding design makes this rollator portable for easy travel and storage. This foldable walker is travel-friendly, supporting your active lifestyle wherever you go. Your Drive walker is backed by a limited lifetime warranty. You can buy with confidence knowing that it is built to last and supported by a reliable warranty. What we like? This walker offers a stable and durable design, perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. It features smooth navigation with its 7.5-inch wheels, ensuring a comfortable ride. If you are looking for a walker that provides both stability and ease of use, this is a great choice. What people say. It's easy to assemble, easy to fold up and light enough to lift into a vehicle while being sturdy. The wheels roll easily. The unit will be used inside 99% of the time and it works well on all surfaces, moving easily from hardwood to carpeting. Number 4. Drive Medical 2-button folding walker with wheels. This rolling walker is designed for safety and convenience. It features push-button mechanisms that are easy to operate with fingers, palms, or even the side of the hand. Made from sturdy aluminum, this walker offers maximum strength. Despite its durability, it remains lightweight for easy maneuverability. This bariatric walker comes with 5 wheels for smooth movement. It also includes a vinyl contoured hand grip and newly designed rear glide caps. Each side of this medical walker operates independently. This allows for easy movement through narrow spaces and provides greater stability while standing. The height of this walker is adjustable. It is designed to support users weighing up to 350 pounds, making it a reliable choice for seniors and adults. What we like? This walker is designed for safety and convenience, featuring push-button mechanisms for easy operation. Constructed from sturdy aluminum, it is lightweight yet strong. If you prioritize ease of use and need a walker that's simple to maneuver, this one is ideal for you. What people say. It is sturdy, lightweight and folds easily for transport. Easy to assemble, well-designed, sturdy, easy to adjust properly to user's height. It is made of aluminum so it's lightweight, 7.5 pounds, but it's also very strong. It's recommended for people up to 350 pounds. Each side folds independently of the other side. Just press a big comfortable button on one side, fold it and then repeat on the other side. You don't need 3 hands to do it. Number 3. Medline Steel Rollator Walker, light blue. This rollator walker is designed for dependable mobility. It features a sturdy steel frame, ensuring safety and comfort for the user. The walker includes a cushioned seat and backrest. It provides a comfortable place to rest, with a seat height of 20.5 inches. The handle height is adjustable from 31 to 35 inches. This allows for a customizable fit, ensuring the user's comfort. The ergonomic brake handles are easy to grip. Simply push up to brake and push down to lock the wheels in place. The reinforced steel frame folds flat for easy transport and storage. Weighing only 17 pounds, it's easy to manage and move around. This walker supports a weight capacity of up to 300 pounds. It's designed to be safe and comfortable for the user and their belongings. Equipped with 6-inch wheels, this walker is designed for smooth transportation. It can handle various terrains with ease. What we like? This walker provides a comfortable experience with its cushioned seat and backrest. It features a sturdy steel design, supporting up to 300 pounds. If you value comfort and need a reliable walker for everyday use, this is a great option. What people say. Sturdy, smooth rolling, assembly a breeze. Remarkably sturdy, handsome, lightweight, nice large seat, holds up to 300 pounds body, and has storage pouch, glides silkily smoothly on any terrain, no noise, partially folds and fits in front or rear seat area. It is very easy to set up, basically no assembly. It is durable and doesn't make any noise when you walk. The brakes work perfectly and it has a nice seat to sit on with a little pocket underneath to hold items. Number 2. Drive Medical 10226 to 1 folding walker. This walker is designed with your safety in mind. It features a trigger release for easy opening and closing, allowing you to operate it without removing your hands from the handle. Made from durable aluminum, this walker provides maximum strength while remaining lightweight. You can rely on it for stability and ease of use. It comes equipped with 5-inch wheels, a comfortable, ribbed hand grip, and smooth gliding rear caps. These features ensure a comfortable and effortless experience. The trigger release allows you to close the walker without removing your hands. This makes it easy to store and transport. The walker is 16.75 inches in length, 25 inches in width, and 32 inches in height. The handle height is adjustable from 32 to 39 inches, providing a comfortable fit. What we like. This walker features a trigger release for easy folding and unfolding, making it convenient for users. It is made from lightweight aluminum, ensuring ease of handling. If you like a walker that's easy to fold and store, this is a perfect choice. What people say. Walker chassis is sturdy, legs click in easily, nice sturdy well-made wheels and holds up to 300 pounds of weight. The trigger releases were a godsend, so easy and safe to use, there is just no comparison. It's lightweight, easy to assemble and foldable. Number 1. Medline Superlight Red Rollator Walker. This rollator is incredibly lightweight, weighing only 12.6 pounds. Despite its light weight, it can support up to 250 pounds, ensuring safety and comfort for the user and their belongings. The ergonomic handles are designed for easy gripping, even for seniors or those with weaker hands. Simply push up to brake and push down to lock the wheels securely in place. The seat and handles are height adjustable for a customized fit. The seat adjusts from 18 to 23 inches, and the handles adjust from 29.5 to 36 inches, providing optimal comfort. The rollator features a foldable aluminum frame, making it easy to transport and store. Its lightweight design adds to the convenience, allowing for easy portability. Equipped with 6-inch wheels, this rollator is designed for smooth rolling on various terrains. It allows users to move effortlessly both indoors and outdoors. What we like. This rollator is ultra lightweight, weighing only 12.6 pounds, making it easy to maneuver and transport. It features easy-to-use brake handles for added safety. If you are looking for a lightweight and easy-to-handle rollator, this is the one for you. What people say. This walker is so lightweight and easy to use and maneuver around tight places. Very nice and lightweight yet functional. Rolls easily. I like the wheel locking mechanism that prevents it from rolling away. I find I can easily lift it. It is very easy and mobile, and the seat and backrest, although not luxuriously padded, work well for my needs at this point in my life. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.